Turn around again. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it my homemade palabok. Let's go! Okay, let me show you on my bag. What is it, Momji? Okay, first is, what is that? Oh, three pieces of eggs, and then the onion leeks, and then what is it? Oh, the tinapa strips, and then what is? Oh, the tokwa, the sliced tokwa. It's a cubes. Okay, and then what? Another, and the main is the pasta. It's already boiled. Oops, what still have on my bag? What is it? Oh, I almost forgot. It's a glass of flour. It's already melted. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start to cook. How to cook my palabok homemade. My homemade palabok. Okay, please watch it. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, let me decorate the remaining ingredients. For sure, it's to become more beautiful and looks yummy. By the way, for sure, it's yummy. Okay. Let me taste for some pasta to make it sure it's already cooked. Okay, let me add the onion leeks. Wow, it's so smelly. And then where's the egg? Okay, Eggy, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna put the egg. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna make slice it. Still not yet. Okay, yes, the egg is here. Okay, let me finish this and then okay, finished. Well, I can serve it. Okay, serve in a plate. Yes, let me check the taste. What is it? What is the taste? Okay, I will try first. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, delicious. Good. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna taste it again. again and again. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, that is really good. Really, 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 it's good. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Malia Vlog. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye-bye!